Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a factory tracks quality control by using the formula above, F is equal to D over E minus D, to determine a fault rating F based on the number of defective parts D and the number of acceptable parts E. Which of the following expresses D in terms of F and E? So to do this, we're going to have to take this equation and we're going to solve for D. So F is equal to D over E minus D. Let's multiply times E minus D to get rid of the denominator. Of course, that means you have to do it on both sides. So on this side, we're just left with D, and this is equal to distributing EF minus DF. We're looking to solve for D, so let's get all the D's over to one side by adding DF to both sides. Because these cancel, and then you get EF is equal to D plus DF. Now we have EF is equal to D, and I'm going to pull out a D from both of these terms. So if you take D and divide it by D, you just have 1. And you take DF divided by D, you just have F. And if you were to redistribute it, you'd get back to this original expression. Now we can divide by 1 plus F. These cancel, and we get D is equal to EF, I'm just going to write as FE. Right, E times F is the same as F times E, but I'm writing it as F times E to make it a little bit easier, divided by 1 plus F. And if you look at this, this lines up with D. You can see why I changed it to FE, just so it matches a little bit better. But either way, D is going to be your final answer.